السلام عليكم. This is Nada Osman from English News Channel. الناهردة إن شاء الله we are going to learn how to use have got and has got with some new vocabulary to describe some people. هنستخدم النهاردة إن شاء الله have got and has got مع كلمات جديدة علشان نوصف بيها أشخاص. We are going to look at the pictures and the words under them. أنا ممكن محتاجش أترجم الكلمات لأن احنا عندنا الصور بتعبر عن المعنى اللي احنا عايزين. معانا دلوقتي كلمات بتوصف الشعر. blonde, straight, frizzy, spiky, center parting, and sideburns. دلوقتي هناخد description للفيس. freckles, dimples, wrinkles, mustache, beard, bushy eyebrows, arched eyebrows, pointed chin, wide forehead, broad shoulders. عشان نقول إن شخص عنده المواصفات دي هنستخدم have got مع I والجمع طول الوقت، وهنستخدم has got مع كل المفرد. دلوقتي هنبص مع بعض على الصورة دي ونتابع الديسكريبشن. She has got straight blonde hair. She's got blue eyes with arched eyebrows. She's got freckles but no wrinkles as she's young. Unlike her mother, she's got no dimples. احنا مش بس بنستخدم have got و has got علشان نوصف حد على وجه الخصوص، انما كمان have got و has got بنستخدمهم عشان نتكلم عن الملكية بوجه عام. اسمها حمادة عايز يشاركنا بعض المعلومات.
I have got a cat. My school has got a large garden. We have got a new car.
Now it's your turn. I'd like you to look at the following picture and complete with a suitable word. Number 1, he has got a mustache and, correct, a beard. Number 2, he has got hair, correct, frizzy hair and sideburns. Number 3, he has got dark eyes with, correct, arched eyebrows. Number 4, he has got a wide forehead, correct. He's strong with shoulders, with broad shoulders, correct. Now I'd like you to choose someone you know and start describing him or her and add this in the comment and I'll be with you. Thank you very much for today's episode. Till we meet again, I wish you all the best of good luck.